Welcome to KTA Cooking on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're gonna make loaded baked potato fries. Preheat oven to 475 degrees. Wash and scrub potatoes and poke each side of the potato with a fork or tip of a knife 5 to 6 times. Place in a microwave and cook accordingly to your microwave baked potato setting. Once cooked, allow to cool to the touch and cut potatoes into wedges. For the spice mix, place salt, pepper, smoked paprika, granulated garlic into a small bowl and mix well. In a large bowl, place cooked potatoes, avocado oil, and seasoning. Toss to coat evenly. For easy cleanup, line a baking sheet with tin foil and spray with non-stick cooking spray. Spread out potatoes evenly onto a baking sheet. Bake for 25 to 35 minutes until crispy and golden brown. Once potatoes are crisp, take the potatoes out of the oven and place into an oven-safe baking dish. Add cheese, bacon bits, green onion evenly over potatoes and cook for another 5 minutes until cheese is melted. Once melted, take out of the oven and add sour cream to a bowl to dip fries in. This is a great appetizer for the big game to share. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.